This is the best one of this one. Okay, alright. Okay. Awww Yeah. You have to admire the specificity. At least, he was polite about it. The promos alone would be ratings gold. These two had to have been made for each other. Murica. A match made in a factory. I had an involuntarily audible reaction to this one. Jesus, Grandma.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.